Let us move into our meditation time. If you wish, you can close your eyes or choose a soft focus. You can allow the body to relax and be gently embraced by whatever surface you may be sitting or standing on. Noticing any places that might just need a little stretch or a release. And allowing our thoughts to settle like snow in a snow globe. Allowing our breath to gently, with its gentle rhythm, bring us back to center. Let us relax into the peace of this moment. Let us hold the gentle place for our thoughts and distractions and allow a gentle bringing back to center. I am a radiating center of divine light and love. I am a radiating center of divine light and love. Share that affirmation with me if you wish. I am a radiating center of divine light and love. Let that settle into the deepest part of you. And so we bring forth gratitude and appreciation, allowing our hearts to be filled with love, connection, joy. We breathe in that, allowing that warmth, that aliveness to permeate every cell of our being. We send those feelings of warmth and joy and peace and abundance, gratitude out to all those on our hearts today. We embrace and we lift up. We see the hard, difficult places dissolving in a wave of love. May peace and justice, harmony, love, and compassion be the order of the day and every day. And so we breathe that in and come back to center in this place, in this moment, noticing our bodies becoming in tune and one with that experience of having a body, with gratitude for this time of spaciousness and knowing. We maybe wiggle those fingers and toes, roll the neck. So it is. So it is.